Coming up in primetime news. Up in flames, auto shop destroyed by fire in St. Anne. And Manchester police constables who delivered baby in January awarded. In primetime news this evening, not working out. Work from home order for public sector workers takes effect today. But why are trade unions concerned? En route, COVID-19 vaccines donated to Jamaica have finally left India. And charged, taxi operator who assaulted police officer in Mapen, Clarendon, slapped with 6 charges.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live, on air, and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, do you feel more comfortable paying your bills online or in person? Give reasons for your answer. You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet us at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.